Hey guys, so today is Friday, March 7th, 2025. And make sure to leave a like, comments, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications if you like my video, or if you don't like my video, let me know in the comments below. And subscribe to my channel viewers, and also if you like it, or share on this video to more videos coming up, and ready to begin. Alright guys, today's Metro Train Station Tycoon today. And yesterday, we completed the Bus Station Tycoon with part 3 with ending yesterday. So now, today is Metro Train Station Tycoon. It looks like we're going to do a new one. Alright, so I can't move the cameras. I gotta use the arrows. So hold on, my settings. I might have to change the name, Dads. What is it? Metro. Wait, what? Oh, it's this. Sorry. Station Tycoon and select. There we go. Dad's Metro Station Tycoon has select. Alright. I have $428, so we got, hold on, we got Anya out here, and then this one, we're gonna buy some ticket office. We can buy some, ooh, okay, I can't look down. 2 platforms, 1, 2, 2, okay, so what is my settings? Yeah. Camera. No, camera. No. I don't know. I have a. Let's take it. I don't know. We gotta see. Okay. This one is good. How we're gonna fix it? Like, is it? No. Classic. Let's see, moves. No. Oh, yes, it moves. No. This. Follow. Not here. Camera. Toggle. Or defeat. Default. So you can see that speaking what you want. Cap pictures. You can also see I died from this game in jailbreak. Look at that. I died from the lasers. I died from shooting Kevin. No. And I died from the pool with the swimming pool. That is so cool. We'll buy another ticket office. There we go. Perfectly finally back as well. Now where are my things? Am I moving like this? Oh, platforms. Okay, platforms. Newspaper stand. We buy it. Map. We'll take that as well. We can buy some vending machines. Directions to platforms 5 and 6. 3%. So how we're gonna move? Picture. Oh, up there's platform 1 and platform 2. There's a train. How would I do this? Like, is my camera not moving? Oh, we can buy under construction with open platform 2. Okay, that makes sense. Let's go back to the excavator. Yeah, why I can't move the cameras. Oh, what is this? Wait, where am I going? Oh, okay. I want to see it. Okay, where am I going? Am I going this way? Oh, it's platform 3, and this one is platform 4. There's so many constructions. I might have to do train station tycoon because it won't move. Or we can do airport tycoon with the camera. Camera? Yeah, it's camera. Oh, it's 5 and 6. No, 5 and 6. So it's vending machine goes here. Buy another ticket. Come on! Ooh, another ticket office. Oh, we got T is back from Dad's Metro Station Tycoon. Was so good at it. You know what? My camera is not moved. I can call something. Oh, that guy has a newspaper. Anya has a newspaper. I want it too. Yeah, we can't move it. Everyone has a newspaper, but I want it. Okay, that will be $27 and that will be $40. Who wants to go there? We need to get the last one. Oh, what's gonna be? Hold on. Oh, this is gonna be coffee. Okay. This is taking forever. Hello, I would like to return the ticket. That will be $24, please. Thank you, have a nice day. Hello, Mr. Crab. You know I see you in the bus station, Tycoon? That is so cool. Hello, can I return the ticket, please? Okay, that will be $24, please. Come on, 2 more. This goes platform 3 and 4. We should do it. But we need to finish this. I don't know, we gotta see. Thank you, have a nice day. Last one to get it. So we can buy the last ticket office. We gained 4%. Hurry up! One more! Come on! One more. Oh yeah, if you want to go to shops, you can see those are shop things to use. Oh, now the door's open. Yes! There we go, another T. Now we got 4 tickets. Look at this. 4 tickets. What's this? Oh, it's gonna be the vending machine. How long is this gonna take? I don't know. This one here is going 1 to 2. We need to complete this for the coffee. Look at that. Everyone is I'm sorry. Look at that. Everyone is waiting. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, it's 6:52. Hurry up. I need to buy the vending machine, so everyone goes to buy the vending machine. Is this? Oh, they're going 5 to 6. Platform to 5 to 6. Okay, we can buy some vending machine. A soda machine. Oh, what we got in here? Oh, these are so cool. They got chips, candies, another chips as well. That's so cool. I need to buy some soda. Okay, we'll buy this one. 3, 4 with platforms. Oh, this is gonna be 1A, 1B, 1C, 2A, 2B, 2C, 3A, 3B, and 3C. How are we gonna press it? Oh, this is someone's customer. I'm getting 7% as well. Look at that. Okay, we'll buy some soda machine. There we go. I buy it. Platforms 1 timetable. Of course we can do it. You know what? I'll do this part 2. We need to finish this for a cafe with a coffee. Like bus station tycoon has a coffee. So cool. We're still getting there. We need to complete this. We need 1 to 6. So we get 8%. Can I click it? Oh, it's gonna be soda. It's the real thing. Drink. Roxy Cola. Okay. Let's buy the timetables. There we go. I wanna see. Ooh. I guess we can do it right now. Yes. Oh, how many we get? Now we're getting 9%. Thank you for traveling with us today. Wow. How Kevin moving the camera? Oh, London Bridge is from the United Kingdom. It's from 829. Come on. Oh, what are we gonna get? Yes, sir, we can buy it. Ooh, okay. Three, 4, and 5, 6. Let's go. Next customer. $24. Okay. 87. You don't give me 100? $10%. Everyone is waiting for the line. Oh. $36, please. We need platform 3, platform 4, platform 5. Yes, we can buy it. And now I got $0. We need 3 more to get it. How much does it seats to buy? Oh no, we don't have a seat. Maybe after when we do the cafe with the coffee. No, is it cafe? Hold on, let me move it. Yes, that's a cafe. It looks like it's gonna be coffee. I can take a shortcut. So I don't want to see the signs with timetable. We're still getting there. bit much money. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, T. Come on. Come on, Aniel. Get some more money. Oh, we got Mr. Crab here. Hello. Good to see you. Come on, 2Ts. Let's go. We need money. We need some money. I'm so sorry. Oh, T got newspaper. Yay. Hurry up and get the monies. We need to buy some platform 4 timetables. Yes, we can buy it. 2 more. Okay, looking good. We got $146. Now we're getting 11% as well. $39. Good. Oh, we got Ani out here. He is FBI. Oh, it's gonna be $26. Can I? No. Last one to buy it. So we can buy some platform 5. Yes, we can buy it. There we go. Now I got $26. Last one to get it. Come on. Get the monies ready. We need to do something. You know what? We need to finish this, like, look at this. Cafe. Now we're getting 12% as well. Oh, 100 more, guys. Come on. Come on. Let's go. I think what's in there? Oh, these are the train station. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 30 more, guys. Come on. No! Okay, that will be $17, please. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, $17. Why is $17 so expensive? Okay, these ones are done. Now we gotta do some coffee. No. Whoa. We're not doing some dancing. It's time to finish the cafe with a coffee. So we're buying some pictures. There we go. It looks like a coffee. Oh no, it's lemonade, I mean. I don't know. What is taking forever to get these monies? There we go. Cooking with a chef. Now I'm getting $9 and $14. We need to get these monies ready. Yes. We're going up, guys. We are going up. Oh yeah, there's another side. Buy some pictures. There we go. So good. We're getting 15%, like $15. Hey, to Mr. Krabs, where you guys going? You guys going number 1, alright? Buying some pictures. There we go. I know what's next is gonna be cafe counters. We gotta wait. Oh, I can buy some join the group from Ice Cream Games Factory. What is this? Oh, we can't get it. You know what? I don't know. We gotta go to settings and find this group. 16%. Can someone hurry up to get this money so we can buy some cafe counter with a coffee? This is gonna be taking forever. Guys, come on. Money needs to go up. Oh, look at her. She has a newspaper. So cool. Let me see the leaderboards. Top 10 metro station winners. Okay, that makes sense. We're still getting there. We are trying to get in there to get some No, 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 come on. Come on. Come on. We need to buy it. We need to buy it as soon as possible. I guess that's right. Okay, now we're going to do some table and chairs. It's going to be $175. Let's keep going. Okay, we're so good at it. I wonder what's next. Now it's 8 o'clock. Table and chairs. $13? No. Does anybody want to do it? I've been waiting for so long. Now $158. We need to get $175. No, 4 more, guys. 4 more. 4 more. 4 more, guys. 4 more. Yes! Table and chairs, yes! Alright, we will finish this. Alright, guys, so we about to end this video, guys. My camera's not moving. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on post notifications. If you like my video or if you don't like my video, let me know in the comments below. And make sure to down below the descriptions or share on this video. Thanks for watching. We will see you guys next time. Bye, guys, and peace out, guys, and see you guys later, guys.